Hello guys, in this video I'll show you about GitHub Student Developer Pack, and through this you can get GitHub Copilot for totally free. Apart from that, there are so many things that they're offering. So this is an official offer brought to you by github.com. If you directly type GitHub Student Developer Pack, this official website will come. Simply you need to first of all have a account on GitHub. Simply create an account on GitHub, login, and go to this URL education.github.com/pack. This is their official student developer pack. So if you are a student studying in college or university, then you can get access to GitHub Copilot and other things for totally free. You need to first of all sign up for a student developer pack. So you will get access to GitHub Copilot as you see. You also get access to GitHub functionality, everything, foundation certification, open source. So right here you can get all these things for totally free. So these are all the, you can read more about it. So just click this button, sign up for student developer pack. So once you do this, you will be redirected to this. And right here, you can see get Copilot for free 180 monthly code spaces hours for cloud coding. So you will get all these things for totally free if you are a student or teacher. And now to prove that, you need to click on this button, start an application. So once you click on this button, simply select whether you are a teacher or a student. Let me select student, and right here you need to search for your school or university. Simply search for it. So right here, as you search, options will come. Simply select your university like this, and after that, simply submit your email and click on share location. So in this easy way, you can search, and after that, you click on continue. And then you need to submit the photograph or any kind of proof which actually prove that you are a student. This can be a student ID, school ID, it can be a dated syllabus, class schedule, enrollment letter, receipt, dated scholarship, or screenshot of school portal. So then just either you can start the camera and take the photograph and directly upload. If you have an image, you can upload a file by clicking that button. So then you click on this button, submit application. So if your application is approved, if you are proof if you are proof that you are a student, then you will get all these things, GitHub Copilot membership for totally free for 1 year, I think, and you get all these benefits that I showed you earlier. So I think that's a very good step taken by GitHub. If you are a student, simply submit this form. So this is GitHub Student Developer Pack. You get all these things, and just create an account on GitHub and click on this button and submit all the details which are necessary. Simply select if you are a student and search for your school as you see that. You can be from any country. Country doesn't matter. Simply select the school or university. From here in the search bar, it will give you suggestions. Fill out your email address and then simply click on share location. So this will get access to your location and click on continue. So submit the proof and you will get all these things. Which main thing is GitHub Copilot. So you will get all these things. Membership, pro plan. So definitely check this out, guys. It's an official offer by GitHub. It's not a fake offer. It's official offer. You can read more about it.